Hello and welcome to the demonstration video of our visualization tool, The People's Vote. We are Group 17B. The existing visualization tools of election, which mainly use color-plate map, have some limitation. On the one hand, they do not give a good representation of the number of votes in each region, but mislead the reader with the region's area. On the other hand, the existing tools do not allow comparison between the different election voting patterns. Our design aims to show the scale, geography, and time factor of voting in an interactive and dynamic way. Based on the existing limitation and our goal, we have developed several research hypotheses that are considered practically valuable. Firstly, there might be a continuous fluctuation or stability in vote share in the region, and we suppose that there could be free interactive effect with time, between time and absolute geography location, between time and relatively geography distant, and between time and preferred party. Next, we would like to introduce the basic function of our tool. On the left hand of the interface is our control panel. The first part of the control panel is the introduction of our tool, below which are two controls. The first control is the Visual Graphic Types drop-down list, where we can select different graphic types to view at, including floor plate map, bubble map, and bar chart. And the bottom is the Scale Selector, where we can choose whether to view our data at the county level or the state level. In the middle is our visualization window. There is a year selection slider at the bottom, which allowed us to compare the change in the vote distribution between elections. Here we represent the data for the 4 elections between 2008 and 2020. Depending on what we change in the control panel and slider, the visualization window will provide a corresponding display back. There is also an animation function here, which allows the user to see the change more intuitively. On the right is our detail window. We can select a specific region to view the detailed information. Here we show distribution of vote over the 4 elections of the selected region. From this information, we can see the patterns of change in vote according to time. Based on our research question, we come up several use cases. One of the use cases could be the observation of the overall data. We can switch between years to show the overall patterns of the election. In the color plate map, we can see that for the region that support the red party, their red color are deepened year by year. This change means that the region that support the Republican Party are become more Republican every election. Another use case could be a comparison between two counties. We can click through the adjacent counties to see if they have similar pattern of vote change. Then we can compare the two counties that are relatively far away to see if the vote change trend is more different than the adjacent peers. That's all of our video. Thank you for listening.